This is 1720 Lombard Street, large apartment building in Philadelphia. Bordering the Rittenhouse Square and Graduate Hospital neighborhoods. Beautiful tree-lined street. Rittenhouse Square is just a couple blocks north. Beautifully maintained apartment building. Very secure and safe. Code entry to access. This is some of the common area. Really pretty landscaping. A lot of very unique, character-filled apartments. This is the property. And really pretty. And there's all sorts of units here. This is the entrance for most of the units. There are some entrances along here. And one apartment in there. This is the mail area. How you doing? This is the mail area. Second locked door here. On every floor there's a trash chute. Okay, right there. This is the elevator to get to many of the units. Enter. Now we're going to the basement to show you the additional laundry services. Right here, some additional laundry services. Most of the units have stackable washer and dryer inside the unit. Okay. There is recycling in here. The trash can be dropped through the chute. Tons of security throughout. You'll see lots of cameras. And that is the majority of the common space. Now we're going to head up onto the unit floors for whichever apartment you're viewing now. Alright, so I'm dropping this video in between the last two videos. When we originally recorded this, the common area hadn't been updated as much as it is now. New intercom system, okay, where the mailbox room is. That's the entrance that we originally came through in the first video, okay? And over here is the entrance to 103, which in the old video this would have looked dark and not as inviting, but now it has mosaic, a skylight. This will be the new package room for the building, okay? And then the entrance to the unit is right here. So now it's a very inviting, bright, well-lit space. Again, with skylight. The package room conveniently off the front door to our unit. And then now we're gonna walk through the unit. And we hope you like it. Copy. This is unit 103. Right past you here, on the left, is a coat closet. kitchen area. And stackable washer dryer. Under appliances. Dishwasher. Microwave. Here's another closet. On this first floor here is a half bathroom. Really convenient. So what's great about this unit is it's bi-level with this rather dramatic floating stair. So this is like one of your living dining spaces. We'll go up there in a second. This is the space. Really big windows, lots of natural light. Again, floating staircase up to your 2 bedrooms. It's the first bedroom. It's here. And we include floor plans with the emails that we sent as a response. Okay. Here's the closet. A nice amount of built-ins. Okay. Beautiful hardwood floors. A+ location. So again, off the stairs. Second bedroom, it's right here. Tons of natural light. Large closet. Really deep and wide. Here's the bathroom. Ensuite to this bedroom. Okay. Tile shower. And little medicine cabinet. There's another one above the vanity. So this bathroom's also accessible by that first bedroom we saw. Okay, through here and in there. So the bathroom is shared. It's kind of like a Jack and Jill bathroom, but the other bedroom does not have access to it off of their bedroom. There's another closet. And that's the unit. Let us know if you have any questions.